Let's dive right into YT2 Translate, a brilliant tool built to instantly take your videos global. Sticking to just one language, you're literally leaving millions of international views on the table. Forget slow, expensive, manual translation. We're talking about an enterprise-grade, lightning-fast engine instead. It uses direct DeepL API integration. This bypasses clunky algorithms to give you perfectly natural subtitles. It's incredibly simple. Just copy your YouTube URL, paste the link, and pick a language. The scale here is massive. You can seamlessly translate your videos into 30 different languages. And the speed? Absolutely incredible. Within mere seconds, the system flawlessly extracts and translates your transcript. You instantly get perfectly formatted SRT or VTT files completely ready to boost your global rankings. So stop limiting your reach. Go ahead and create a free account to secure translation credits. The real question is, will you paste your link below and unlock your channel's global potential?